I will make breakfast, guys. Toast bread with butter. And as you can see, guys, niremove ko yung brown sa side. At nagkat na ako ng ganito. And then this one I put it. And of course, guys, I will put the bread. Yeah, like that. Then I will wait the bread will become a brown. Okay. And then, guys, we will check if ayun, brown na siya, guys. So we will put it aside. And I put another 1/5 of the butter. And like that, guys. And then, guys, ayan, nakaluto na ako ng aking toast bread with butter. Ayan, and then of course, I have a coffee, guys. So, let's eat breakfast. Have a blessed day, guys. Thank you so much. Ito na nga, guys, at kakagatin na natin ang ating tinapay. Napakaluto. Really yummy. At ayan, kung kumagat na tayo sa ating tinapay, so higupin naman natin ang napakasarap na mainit-init na kape. Ang sarap po talagang magtimpla ng kape, char.